Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 maths class. Students, now come to book page number 67. Today we will do fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Students, look here. Which number is this? 11. And which number is this? 13. Which number is missing? 12. Now we will write here number 12. 17. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 13? 14. 14, 15, 16, 19, 17. Which number is missing? 18. Now we will write number here 18 in the box. 20, 19, 20, 23, 21, 22. Which numbers are missing? 24, 25, 26, 29. Which numbers are missing? 27, 28. Which number is this? 32, 29. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 29? 30, 31, 31, 32, 36. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 32? 33, 34, 35, 36, 38. Which number is missing? 37. Now we will write here number 37 in the box. 40, 38. Which number is missing? What comes after 38? 39, 39, 40, 44. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 40? 41. Now we will write here number 41, 42, 43, 44, 48. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 44? 45, 46, 47, 48, 51. Which number is missing? Which numbers are missing? 48, 49, 50, 51, 54. Which numbers are missing? 52, 53, 54, 57. Which numbers are missing? 55, 56, 57. What comes after 57? 58, 59, 60. Now kids, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now kids, it's your turn. Complete book page number 67. Dear students, do this work properly because this time we will not revise same work in class. Allah Hafiz.